Hi everyone, Mayumi with Next Up Mortgage here with the latest mortgage update. I've got some exciting news from Daily Mortgage News. As of Friday, September 5th, 2025, the average top tier 30-year fixed mortgage rate dropped from 6.45% to 6.29%. And guess what? Today, it dropped even lower to 6.28%. That's a level we have not seen since the fall of 2024. So, what's driving this change? It's all about the economy. Weaker job numbers have made investors flock to bonds, which pushes bond prices up and mortgage rates down. It's like a financial seesaw. When one goes up, the other comes down. What does this mean for you? Well, if you've been thinking about buying a home or refinancing, this could be your golden window. Lower rates means lower monthly payments and more buying power. So don't wait. Reach out to me today for an initial conversation and let's see how you can take advantage of these market changes. Your dream home or better mortgage could be closer than you think. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more updates.